The circulatory system. The role of the heart, blood, and blood vessels to the human circulatory system function to transport blood, oxygen and nutrients to the body. Main parts has three main parts, the heart, blood vessels, and blood. The heart, it works as a pump to move the blood around the body. It has four chambers, two atria, upper chambers, and two ventricles, lower chambers. Right atrium, right ventricle. 3 left atrium, left ventricle. 4 the heart. Let's examine how blood flows through the heart. From upper 1, the right atrium takes in blood carrying carbon dioxide. Body 2, blood is squeezed down into the right ventricle and taken to the lungs, where oxygen replaces carbon dioxide. 1 2 to left lung. 5 the heart. Let's examine how blood flows through the heart. To body 3 from left lung. 4 3 oxygen carrying blood from the lungs enters the left atrium. Blood is pumped into the 4 left ventricle and starts its journey again throughout the body. The heart cycle. 6 body, right atrium, left atrium, lungs, right ventricle, left ventricle, lungs. Body 7 blood. It is a special fluid primarily contained within the blood vessels. It has 4 main components: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. 8 blood. Our blood has 4 main components: red blood cells carry oxygen, nutrients, and wastes. White blood cells fight diseases and protect the body from infection. Platelets gather at the site of injury and help the clotting process. Plasma, straw-colored liquid where the other components float in blood. When someone has a blood test, a small amount of blood is taken and kept in a tube for testing. To closely examine it, blood undergoes component separation. One common method involves spinning it at very high speeds in a centrifuge. 9 plasma, white blood cells and platelets, red blood cells. Blood is divided into its components, with the heaviest parts at the bottom. 10 blood vessels. These are tubes or channels that carry blood throughout our body. There are 3 types of blood vessels: veins, arteries, and capillaries. Each one differs in size and structure. 11 blood vessels. Let's take a closer look at the 3 types of blood vessels. Artery. It has the thickest wall of all 3, allowing it to withstand the high pressure created by the heart. It has the thinnest wall to allow substances such as capillary oxygen and sugars to pass through its wall into or out of the blood. Vein. It is less muscular and stretchy than an artery.